We're super excited. We are here for our very first time at a love hotel in Zushi, Japan. It's called Fiesta Hotel, and we can't wait to show you the whole process. All right, let's go.
Let's go, let's be free.
All right, when you first come in downstairs, these are cheaper here. The whole point of a love hotel is to keep your privacy. So you get these tickets out of a machine and you don't even talk to a person. You get to pick your own room based off of a screen. There's usually a little picture. We chose this room because it was one of the bigger ones. How do we know if there's a bath? Like this one maybe? Out here is the entryway. Okay, so we pay here when we leave. The door's unlocked. But as soon as we come inside, there are a couple of really cool things. So there's a microwave here for the free noodles they gave us upon check-in. Then there's a little coffee station with some mugs, coffee, sugar, tea, all the things that you would need. We've already used the cups from here for water and things. And then there are these cool vending machines. This one's a refrigerated one. So if you push one of these red buttons, it opens it up and gives it to you, and it charges you to your room for whatever you chose. Drinks, snacks. Up here is the non-refrigerated compartments. Everything from slippers to noodles. This might be toothpaste, just all sorts of different little treats that you can get and pay for. Then if you come in a little further, there's a closet. You can actually spend the night in a love hotel. So you can rent them for 2 hours, 3 hours. There's like a block that's a special between like 11 and 5 p.m. Or you can spend the night, up to you. We're just here for a couple of hours.
Happy New Year!
Then there's another refrigerator. This one is no charge, and it's to put any food items that you bring, like our champagne, to keep cold while you're here. There's AC, and then there's a book that explains everything, like your remotes and how to work the different things. Some rooms have karaoke machines. My favorite part of this is that there's also room service. And you can smoke in here, so there's an ashtray. We've already moved that because we are non-smokers. Then you have your whole own water filtration system for hot water for noodles, cold water to drink. Super handy. Amazing that each room gets their own. Then there's a nice lounging area. So this room is bigger than some of the hotel rooms we've been in. In fact, it's probably at least twice as big as the hotel we had in Kamakura. But you can come sit here and lounge. There's a menu here as well where you can pick out hot foods. Unbelievable. Order some beers to your room. You can really just kind of get anything you want here. Super cool. Whole bunch of remotes. Why you need the book to explain everything. Some TV guides. And then I'm not sure what this is for. I think this is the karaoke station. We didn't pay for karaoke, but this is where your microphones would go. Then it looks like the bed does a bunch of stuff. So I'm not sure if it vibrates or we'll have to translate this. But very cool. Lots of different things going on there. Oh, and you can pay for it. Like there's a charge card, so you can pay for it if you do choose to do all that. And then the bed, which we haven't tried yet. We were doing some other things, planning and prepping for vlogs, but
We are currently house sitting, but to respect our current host's privacy, we decided to come out to a love motel.
it's pretty cushy. It's definitely an Asian style bed, but we've been on harder ones. So then behind you there is a TV, a DVD player, and I think the whole karaoke setup. Okay. This is the bathroom. The lighting in here is a little bit low, so hopefully you can see, but it's huge. Okay, so there's a shower in here. Looks like it has a super modern setup. I don't know what that does yet. We haven't tried it. A humongous tub for 2 with jets. Excited to try that out. And then all the like lotions and potions you could dream of. You have your own bathhouse here basically, which is awesome. We pay between like 500 and 1500 yen for a bathhouse experience, and you can do it all for 2 people here for just a couple hours for what, 6,000 yen. Cool deal. So they have the seat, the bowl, all the things that you normally have, but they even have these little extras like a loofah if you want it. I just love these kinds of things. All right, then back to the sink area. All right, more fun lotions and potions, and then a bunch of amenities in case you need them. Breath splash, which I'm pretty sure is mouthwash. And then like a razor, ladies accessories, brush, organic sesame oil for your hair, and Botanica flower bath salt. Whoa, it's hot. That's cool. So anyway, hope to try these out. And then, oh, and a face mask.
Squirrel!
I love face masks. So they have everything, even more than you would find at a hotel. They have not only a hair dryer, but a hair straightener, which is amazing. You don't see those. And of course, a ton of towels. And dun, 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 for your full spa pleasure, bathrobes. I don't know why they're hiding under the towels. I'm definitely gonna bust those out. All right, but the super absolute most coolest part of the whole bathroom is a TV. So while you're hanging out, enjoying the jacuzzi, you can watch TV. I don't know, that's super cool to me. Like, I could live here. It's amazing. I love it. So this whole thing was only, well, it depends on how long we stay, but we're planning to stay for 3 hours, which is 7,800 yen. We're not sure if, because we're here between 11 and 5, if we can stay for that whole 6-hour block or not. The hard part is because we don't speak a lot of Japanese, we won't know for sure until we get charged. So we'll just have to see what happens there, but super cool deal. I would spend the night here. I don't know, would you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that's super cool. So we love it. We're excited. That's all for now because we're gonna go enjoy ourselves, hopefully get into this bath and relax and just enjoy the room. See you later.
Two hours later.
Oh, she takes a credit card?
Yeah. It's a change machine slash payment machine.
お金を入れてください。 ありがとうございました。
All right.
And we did the 11 to 5. What a cool.
いらっしゃいませ。こちらの
So this one we do fit here. Oh, you do? And we can lock the door behind you. It's not as big as the other one, but it's nice. The walls are nicer. Little things here. They didn't give us a wrong and then check in. This is our first time at, what's it called? White House Hotel? Okay, so one of the things we wanted to say about the love hotel culture of Japan is that the houses are small and families live together. So the children live with the parents, live with the grandparents. Everybody even sleeps in the same room a lot of the times, the tatami room or the shoji room. So the culture has created this as a way to get away and have some one-on-one time for spouses and things. That being said, this is our first time here at the White House Hotel. Let us show you around the room. The tub is a little smaller than we expected. Oh, it's not two-person.
We can stop here and go to the other one.
So we're not gonna stay here. We're gonna go check out another room. But since we're in here, let's just check it out. So it has this nice sofa. Things at this place are a little bit maybe newer and or cleaner. Like the wallpaper is really cute. It has a fancier look to it. All the decor, everything is a little bit more like the sconces on the wall. It's all a little fancier. And this has a kettle. I think is what that is. A microwave and a fridge for if you bring your own drinks. Cups and things, and then these things that you can buy. We're not gonna stay, so I'm not gonna buy them. And then a refrigerator where you can buy refrigerated beverages, water, sodas. The prices are good. We checked in, it's like what, 2:45, and they're gonna give us till 2200 or 8 p.m. tonight for 6,800 yen. So great price. This is like a kind of air purifier, a phone, the lighting. The bed feels super comfy, so that's nice. Although we won't be relaxing here. They did have free Wi-Fi as soon as we entered in, so that was cool. Nice, huge TV. This is really big. That's great. The microphone's here and everything you need to do the karaoke. Oh look, this one has a clean the microphone. AC, the window that actually opens. Not all of hotels have good lighting, so this is a really big perk. Oh yeah, something a lot of people are gonna want. And then, cute little closet and a hallway of doors. So over here you have the bathtub, jacuzzi tub, and the Japanese style shower. Unfortunately, it's only the right size for one person, and we know where we can get one for two. So we're gonna head back that way. But then here are all of the wonderful amenities for brushing your teeth, washing your hair, mouthwash, lots of good stuff. And then the toilet room with toilet shoes. So overall, super cute. I would give it 5 of 5, but not for what we're doing. If I was one person, if we were a single staying here, I think it would be great. For two people, we want that big tub with the TV. So let's go to Fiesta House. Okay, so the lady at the desk was super nice. We took our tickets downstairs because the bath was too small, and that's really what we want. We don't even really care about the bed so much, which is good because this one looks, I don't know what to say. Anyway, this one is not quite as great as the one from the other day, but the bath is the right size, which is what we're gonna do. So let me show you the room a little bit. It has all this cute stuff here. One thing we love about their rooms here is that they come with these water filters in every room and glasses. So free water the whole time you're here, which is nice for the bath. And we get real glasses. Has a cute little sofa. We're probably not gonna hang out here much, although we could order something off this menu. I really wanted to last time, but we weren't hungry and we didn't need anything to drink, so we brought our own stuff for New Year's, but today might be the day. Okay, here's the bed. These are the lighting controls like we learned last time. We dim it, we can get bright, relaxing, different things, but we'll go back to the most light. And then, let's go look at the bathrooms. This one has a cute little like sitting area where you can either work or do your makeup or something. And I think this is a real, oh, and it's a round window, how fun. That's extra cute. I like it. Okay, then, come in here. There's this cute little sink area. The layout is different in every single room, which is surprising. Little round sink, this is different than what we had the other day. There's a little toilet room. And then our most absolute favorite part, and I don't know how to turn the light on in here, is the bath. So this one's huge. The shower's way over there. You could work out in here. Plenty of space. And then the bathtub with a TV. This is what we love. So the lady looked it up for us and saw which place had the right size bath, and we're gonna enjoy it. So we'll check with you later. There's a toenail clipper. Oh, we didn't bring anything with us. No, I think we have to pay first, maybe.
Okay.
We have to go back down.
I pay.
Oh no. I'll get stuck. Oh, it's not two-person.
We can stop here and go to the other one. What's the use of having a one-person tub?
It'll be sad, but we paid for it.
Be free.